Guys, Dan the RBRT Guy here today. Today I want to talk to you about our Impact line of tools. When should you use them versus when you shouldn't use them? And this applies mainly to our Impact Hex style of tools. Impact Hex, or Allen as they are also known. You know, the go-to tool these days is the 3/8 cordless impact gun. Whether it be 20 volt or 12 volt or somewhere in between. You guys use these more than anything out there, and I know that. And there's a right time and a wrong time as far as RBRT is concerned. So we're going to get back to our trusty motorcycle motor, and as you can tell, we've got some 6mm hex bolts that are holding in the exhaust manifold. When the hex bolt is in fairly good condition, and I'm talking about not been rounded out by somebody else, that's a good time to grab the Impact Hex, because these are designed for the thump of an impact gun. So we can go ahead and insert that into the fastener, give it a hit, and it'll pop them right out without any damage. Okay guys, so we ripped out one of those, and you see how easy that came out. If you have a look inside of there, it's a little bit chewed up, but not too bad. It's in reasonable shape, so I would consider that to be worthy of an impact use. That's okay. So we're going to go ahead and put it into this one here, and it looks like actually this one's a little bit more chewed up, so let's cross our fingers, see what we can do. Get it in there, make sure she's settled all the way in. Don't be afraid to give it a little tap. There we go. Make sure she's seated all the way in. That's really important with RBRT. You got to bottom it into the fastener. And out she comes. Oh yeah, that one was a little bit more chewed up, you can tell. Remember, RBRT is designed to not strip the bolt to begin with. However, what you don't want to use is you don't want to use a chrome socket on the impact gun, and here's why. First off, the very first thing we should say is that an impact mechanism can damage chrome, it can break it, it's very brittle, and you can get hurt. Plain and simple. A piece of it will fly off in your eye. You don't want to put your eye out. But the chrome ones are designed slightly different than the hex design. The chrome ones are a little bit more aggressive in the sweep. They are designed for incremental increases in torque with a ratchet. As you start to put pressure up and you go to crag it loose, the harder that you apply torque, the more it bites in and does its job. The Impact version is slightly less aggressive, and it makes up for that thump. It's a little bit more forgiving. So guys, thanks very much. I'm Dan the RBRT Guy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and smash that bell so you can tell when my next video comes out. Thanks very much.